Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to learn how to post ZBusiness RSS feeds on X, formerly known as Twitter. So here what I want is that I manage the X account of financial advisory firm and I want to update my followers with the latest trends and the market news. So for that I want to post the RSS feed of ZBusiness on my X account as a new tweet. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between RSS by Pabbly and X. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new feed on my RSS account, then automatically I want to create a new tweet with that detail on X. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can post ZBusiness RSS feed on X, formerly known as Twitter. And we also want to do this automatically. So RSS stands for really simple syndication, and it's an easy way for you to keep up with news and information. So staying updated with latest news and trends is essential for businesses, investors and enthusiasts. And by sharing ZBusiness RSS feeds on X can keep my followers informed and engaged with real-time updates from one of the leading news sources. So why I'm going to post ZBusiness RSS feeds on X? So with ZBusiness RSS feed, it can ensure that we receive latest business news as soon as they are published. It will also increase engagement as we are going to share timely and relevant news, and posting news from ZBusiness adds valuable content and variety to my X feed. So here I'm managing the social media account for a financial advisory firm, and now by automatically posting ZBusiness RSS feeds on X can keep my clients and followers updated with the latest market trends, stock updates and financial news. So this not only enhances my firm's credibility, but also helps my followers make informed decisions based on current information. So integrating ZBusiness RSS feeds with X is a powerful way to keep my audience engaged and informed, all while saving time and maintaining a consistent posting schedule. So here for this automation, what I need to do is I need to use Pabbly Connect. And with the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection between ZBusiness RSS feed and X. So I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. And now I'm going to build this automation in such a way that automatically I'm going to post ZBusiness RSS feed on X. So let's get started. And for using Pabbly Connect, I need to first search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here I have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow. For that I'm going to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to post ZBusiness RSS feeds on X, that formerly known as Twitter. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab. And here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of RSS feed. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be RSS by Pabbly. So I'm going to select that. And now by using RSS by Pabbly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect RSS feed of ZBusiness with Pabbly Connect. So here I need to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. A new item in feed will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect RSS by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. And now what I need to do is I need to give the feed URL of my ZBusiness RSS feed so that I can fetch the updated and latest news from that RSS feed. So for getting this feed URL, what I need to do is I need to take you to my ZBusiness RSS feed page, And for getting here, what you need to do is you need to search for the business RSS feed and you will see this page. And in this page, you can get RSS feeds for all the news that you want. So here I want to use the RSS feed of market trends of India. So I'm going to click here. Now here I need the feed URL. So here in path URL, I have my feed URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this tab from which I want to fetch my latest news and information. And now what I need to do is I need to select the filter type so that it will ensure that each item is processed only once. So for selecting my filter type, I need to open this tab. And here I have these two options of GUID and different published date. So you can select any of the filter type here. I'm going to select this default recommended filter type. And now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have the title of my news, that is SEBI orders attachment of bank demat accounts of DHFL's ex-promoters in disclosure violation case. So this was the title of my news. I have the published date, that is Thursday, 22nd Feb 2024. And I have the link of my news. Also here I have the ID, I have the description, and here I have the description of my news. Also the creator is Z Business, and this is my content. Now here I have received this response from my RSS feed of Z Business. And if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry because this is a polling based response and within 1 hour you are going to receive this response from RSS by Pabbly. So as the new news are going to get updated in RSS feed, then automatically RSS by Pabbly is going to fetch that news and it is going to send that data within the 1 hour to Pabbly Connect. So in every 1 hour, it is going to search for the updated news in the feed URL of Z Business and it is going to send that latest news to Pabbly Connect. So here I have received all these details from my RSS feed of Z Business. Now what I need to do is I need to create a new tweet on my X account. And on that tweet, I want to share this news with my followers. So for that, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. And here my action application is going to be X, which is formerly known as Twitter. So I'm going to search for that. And here I'm going to select X here. Now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And create tweet will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect X with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I need to click on connect with X. So for connecting X with Pabbly Connect, I need the client ID and the client secret. So how we can get all these details? For that, what I need to do is I need to open Developer Hub of X. And in developer portal, I am going to get all these details like client ID and client secret. So if you want to learn how you can get all these details, for that you need to open this hyperlink of learn more. And in this hyperlink, you will find all the information of how you can connect X with Pabbly Connect. And for getting to your developer portal of your X account, you need to open this link. So I'm going to click here. And as I have already logged into my X account, so it has also logged into my developer portal of X. So I'm going to go to developer portal and here I need the client ID and the client secret. So for that I need to go to keys and tokens. So I'm going to click here and here we can see I have this client ID and the client secret. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first copy my client ID. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. Now I need the client secret. So I'm going to go back to my developer portal of X and here I'm going to regenerate my client secret. I'm going to click on yes, regenerate. And now I need to copy this client secret. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. So I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on save. And now what I need to do is I need to authorize my app. So I'm going to click here. And here I have successfully connected X with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to create a new tweet and on my tweet I want to share my latest news of my Z Business RSS feed. So for that I need to create a new message. So here my message will be. So here this is going to be my message which says just dropped a fresh update on my RSS feed with latest market update. Check it out for the latest insight, news and stories. And now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the link of my news that I have received from my RSS feed and also the title of my news. So for that, what I need to do is I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So here I'm going to first map the title of my news. So for that I need to open this response of RSS by Pabbly. And here this is the title. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to enter a new line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the link of my news. So here this is the link. So I'm going to map this. And with this link, it will direct my followers automatically to the latest news and they can read out the latest news. So here this is going to be a message and this is going to be the tweet that I want to tweet on my X account. And in this message, what I have done is I have mapped all these details. So as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. Now as I'm going to receive a new response from my RSS feed with the latest news, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced. And I'm going to get the detail of the latest news from RSS feed in real time. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have created a new tweet on my X account. So to check this, let me take you to X. I will take you to my profile. And here on my profile we can see I have created a new tweet that says, just dropped a fresh update on my RSS feed with latest market update. Check it out for the latest insights, news and stories. And also here I have the title of my news, that is SEBI orders attachment of bank demat accounts of DHFL ex-promoters in disclosure violation case. And here this is the link of my news. So I can click on this and it will take me to this page of Z News and here I can see the post of my news. So here this is the latest news of Z News RSS feed and I automatically have posted that as a tweet on my X account. So here we can see that my connection between Z News RSS feed and X is working successfully. And now whenever I'm going to receive an updated RSS feed from Z Business, then automatically I'm going to post that as a tweet on X. So this will increase my followers, engagement and credibility of my account. And with this automation, I can automatically post the latest news on my X account. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this connection between RSS by Pabbly and X. And by using RSS by Pabbly, I have connected the RSS feed of Z Business. So here I have created this automation to post Z Business RSS feeds on X. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was RSS by Pabbly and my trigger event was new item in feed. Then I have set up my actions tab and my action application was which formerly known as Twitter. And here my action event was create tweet. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.